practical video. I'm going to show you how to get around Kansai, well specifically around Osaka, using public transport. And there are several ways to do this. You can use the subway, the buses, or the private rail companies. And because we live near a JR station, I'm going to show you how to buy a ticket for JR. Okay, first of all, I've never done this before to switch it to English. Oh, I see. So look, there's the English button, so you can just push it, so everything will be in English. Then, if you want to buy just a normal ticket, you go here for JR tickets, and then you have just a random number of random numbers with yen. And if you look at this map, you can see how much from where we are right now it costs to each station. So for example, let's say you wanted to go to Kansai airport, it says 800 right there. So it doesn't say this on the machine, so you just have to select the 800 yen button. Just put your money in here, or you just put your money in here, and then you will get the ticket. So the second way to get around, which is far more practical I think, is to use an ICOCA Card, which has the same system as the Oyster Card in the UK. So in order to do this, you just press purchase ICOCA, and then it says it costs you 2,000 yen initially, but you will have 1,500 yen already on it to use when using the train. So you just pay 500 yen for the card, and you'll get that back once you turn it in at the end of your travels. You can turn it in back at the train station office. Just put this here. Right. And there you have it, your new fresh ICOCA card ready to use. I have my commuter pass on it as well, but you won't have this, it's just like a normal card. You can always charge this up, so in order to do this you just use this machine again. You go here, charge, check history, which I'm actually going to do now. So you put your card in here, and it says what you have left, and you just put cash charge. So you select the amount that you want to put on here, so I'm going to go for 1,000 yen. And then you just put this in here. You can select charge with receipt or without. And that's that. I thought another thing that's worth mentioning with the ICOCA card is that first of all, if you plan to travel to Tokyo, you can also use this in Tokyo. There's another called SUICA Card that most people in Tokyo use, but if you're just traveling there for a day or two, I think there's no need to buy another card, you can just use yours. And the second thing why I like this card so much is that you can use it at many different points around the station, mostly around the station. So for example, convenience stores, or vending machines, or even Mr. Donuts or something. If it's close to the station, you will be able to pay with this. It sounds like a commercial for this card, but seriously, it's pretty great. And I thought about if this is even going to be useful, because it's pretty similar to the Oyster Card, but I think there are many countries where you don't actually have this system. Like for example in Germany, you don't have ticket gates. So when you come here first, it can be pretty confusing. So I hope that this video helped you out a little bit and you feel more confident when purchasing a train ticket to travel around Kansai.